I'm going to show you the easiest and the laziest side hustles that you can do to make $100 per day using AI. No experience, no expensive gear, and no huge capital needed. Plus, you can do it from anywhere in the world. I'm going to break down exactly what these side hustles are and how you can leverage the power of AI to get them done. In 2024, everyone wants things done instantly, but not everyone knows how to do it. Like, if you need a thumbnail, do you really want to spend the time and effort to learn how to make one yourself? That's a waste of time and energy, especially when you can get it done quickly and cheaply by outsourcing the service. Just like you, there are tons of people who need stuff done and they're ready to pay for it. Now, here's where you come in. You'll post services online and you'll use AI to fulfill them. It's that simple. People are already making thousands of dollars a month doing this, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do the same. Now watch till the end to know exactly how it's done and so you don't miss out on any valuable info. Let's get going. Now the type of services I'm talking about are things like upscaling photos, removing people from photos, and as you can see, people are selling tons of them. Photo retouching service. We've got bestsellers all around, and there's plenty of others that I'm going to show you in this video. And most importantly, I'm going to show you the #1 AI tool that you're going to use to fulfill these services in no time. Now the AI service that I'm going to use is Photo. It's hands down the best AI tool that can be used to fulfill these services because it has everything that you might need in terms of photo manipulation, AI, image generation, plus video manipulation features. It's literally a one-stop shop for anything to do with visual content. You can literally create graphics, anything you might need, plus so many AI tools that you can leverage to quickly fulfill those services that I'm talking about. So you don't need 5 years experience in Photoshop in order to make these kind of image manipulations. You can literally do it with AI. So why waste time? So to access Photo, literally go to Google and type photo.com and click enter and create an account. I've already got my pro account, as you guys can see, and it's really affordable. As you can see, they've got a basic free version, and Photo Pro is £2.41, which is what I have. If you go for the yearly plan, Photo Pro Plus is only £5.41 per month if you go for the yearly plan, and that's a saving of 62%. I would recommend, if you can afford it, go for the yearly plan because you can save so much. So let's look at the first service that you can fulfill. And these services, you can sell them anywhere. You can sell them either on Etsy, Fiverr, Upwork, Guru.com. There are plenty of freelance places where you can sell these services, or you can even approach businesses through LinkedIn, Instagram, or via email to fulfill these services for them. There are a multitude of ways. All you need is to take action. So let's look at this service of upscaling. How can we make it? We simply click on this one right here, AI Upscaler, and let's look at this image. Let's see how it upscales this image for us. I'm going to zoom in so that you guys can see. Now watch the difference. Wow, that is crazy. Look at that. It's done an amazing job, guys. List your service, create a listing, something like this, before and after. It always works well. When it sells, the clients will give you the photo that they need you to upscale. You upscale it for them using Photo and send them the final version, and that's how you make your money. And look how much they're doing it for, £24. That's more than $30, I believe. Insane. But you don't have to sell it for that much. You could sell it for even £5, £10. People will buy it, and you could outrank the competition. The next service I'm going to look at is removing people from photos, and you're going to use this tool right here, Magic Eraser, for it. I'm going to drag my photo. I'm going to brush this one. Let's see what happens. It's doing its thing. Look at that. Magically disappeared. We're going to check this one out. AI Skin Retouch. Let's open an image. I'm going to use this one right here. Let's see what happens. All done via AI, as you guys can see. Wow. It has done a great job, as you guys can see. The amount of money you can make with this tool is incredible. The other service is old photo restoration, and they are selling. Look at that. This is a bestseller. They've got 1.4K reviews. So they must have sold a lot. Look, there's a lot of bestsellers right there. This niche has a lot of demand. How can we do it? It's very easy. Just go to Old Photo Restorer, click on it. Let's see if we can restore this photo. You can restore it and colorize it at the same time, or if you don't want it to be colored, then you can toggle this one off. And obviously we want the results comparison. Click on start. Let's see. It's crazy what AI can do these days, honestly. Wow, look at that. Now from this to this. Wow, incredible. Now you have another service of unblurring images. If an image is blurry, you can unblur it. This is something that we can do with AI. So we just go to face unblur. Let's try this this picture. It's done a great job. And I must mention that with all these actions, you can actually remove the background, erase with magic eraser, you can upscale, you can do loads. And you can also do any of these actions in batches. So you have a batch editor, you put, say for example, 10, 20 pictures, and it will do them one by one for you. Really, really easy for a great workflow and efficiency. Now let's try this image right here. Wow, literally incredible. From this to this. If you can't monetize this service, I don't know what you can monetize. Everything that I'm showing you guys, you can literally monetize them with all of these websites that I mentioned to you. Etsy, Fiverr, Upwork. You can create your own website promoting these services. There's a bunch of stuff that you can do as long as you know how to do it. And I'm literally showing you how to do it step by step. With AI, you don't even need to have experience. I mean, what excuses can you make? What else can you do? You can replace photos, so remove objects. You can use this tool for it right here. Let's add clouds here, for example. And look at that. You can expand photos if you want. So for example, let's say you have a cropped image and you want to expand it, you can do that. Here's an example. This image is cropped, so we want to expand it a bit more. You can expand it even further like this, depending on how big you want the canvas to be. Okay, that's about right. You can even have a custom size, whatever you want. So let's generate. Check this out. And if you're not happy with the generation, you can generate more and more and more until you're satisfied. Removing background is a breeze as well. I'll click on background remover. So let's say you want to remove background of this image right here. There we, oh my God, this is really, really good. It's done an amazing job. And you can retain certain areas if you want to, etc. Brush it like that. That's to erase more. Brush it like this to add more, etc., etc. You click on apply and then it will add more there. Let's say you're not happy with this bit right here. You can erase it if you want to, just like this, and it's gone. I'm just doing a sloppy job right here. But yeah, it can be done like that, just like that. You can add more, boom, done. And if you're not happy with this bit again, go back, zoom in like this. You can even add more to the brush size if you want to. Erase them a little bit more like this. That should be fine. Boom, done. That easy. You can change the background. It's going to remove the background and then you can change whatever color you want, or you can add a photo as the background. There you go. Add your color, whatever color you want, or you can add a photo here. For example, I want it to have this background, for instance, just like that, or this background, or you can upload your own photo. You can blur background. Click on this one right here. Let's try it with this one. You can add whatever amount of blur you want. There you go. Make it less blurry. Apply. There you go. You can make cartoon portraits just like that. Go to this tool right here, AI Cartoonizer. You've got AI headshots, so you can make headshots for LinkedIn profiles. As you can see, they're selling them right here. So the service is this. The client gives you any normal photo and then you turn it into a headshot with AI. It's incredible. Literally choose whether it's a male or female. Choose the business style. You need to choose 10 of them. Let's just choose these like that. Continue. So I have to upload a few images of mine and then generate the headshot. There's just too many to cover in one video. It's incredible. I can't do everything. But yeah, you can do things like AI baby generator. You supply the male and female pictures and then you choose whether you want a boy or girl, and then it will generate a boy or girl for you based on what the adults, male and female, look like. You've got face swap, lots and lots of AI filters. You can create designs, you can do simple collages, and you can generate AI images. So just looking at the AI effects and filters, just click on it. Look how many effects and filters you've got. Like the amount of filters is just insane. I can't go through everything, guys, but this is a business model right here. You can use photo to deliver the services that I was talking about. And there are so many services you can create from here, honestly. You even have video objects remover, video enhancer. There are so many other features, guys. Honestly, I can't go through them all, but look at that. You can literally remove an object from a video just like that. You can enhance the video. You can remove a text from a video or logo from a video, remove unwanted objects. You can remove people from videos. That's crazy. I mean, look at the amount of tools available. I can't go through them all in this video, guys, but for this small price, it's a no-brainer, guys, honestly. So if you want to get your hands on photo, I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description. Go check it out. I think it will change the game for you. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.